Hello friends, this is Ilyas again with a new tutorial of Photoshop, and in today's video I will show you how to make light effect filters quickly. So let's get started. So this is the picture we will work on, and now you just have to create gradient from here. Add this one and now put it to screen blending mode. You can see its effect. You can change its style by double clicking here, and you can use scale to blend it. As you can see, you can reverse the gradient, and you can also change its angle. And like this you can also change its color, and you can try out various shades. Just as you can see, you just have to try different color combinations, and you can get various different light effect filters. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.